Ready, start. Have they paid the debt? They think the debt was paid. Do they say so? They say they paid it to Abe. They have usually paid us. Was it paid to Joe? Shall they show the essay to Joe? Who shall judge the essay? Abe shall be the judge.